Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Marzocco Linea PB with us in the shop. And I came in for general routine maintenance over the boiler aspect of the machine. There was quite a bit happening with the boiler, and also there's a part of the steam boiler that was just leaking outright. So what we did is we replaced both the boiler safety valve, the vacuum release valve, which the elbow that connects to was the elbow that was leaking a bunch of steam inside the machine. Replace the expansion valve on the bottom here, so 2 valves for your steam boiler, 1 for your brew boiler. We also deep cleaned the inside of the solenoids because there was a little bit of a leak there that we found. General tune-up including the group head cleaning, replacing of the gaskets and shower screens. The gaskets in there were really hardened, so we did have to pick them out, but after that cleaned up the group head, put them back together. Backflush both sides just to clean out those pipes down to the drain tray. On top of that, we did a firmware update on this one because this firmware wasn't updated for quite a while since the machine was unboxed. So we did update the firmware just so we can have no issues when we hook this up to a grind by sink Malkonig. Besides that, we had to change the plug on the machine to adapt to a different type of plug. Now we're going to quickly test the machine by brewing a shot. As you can see, we have some test coffee in here. We're mainly just checking if it brews at 9 bars of pressure. We're going to use this same cup just because I've already used it. But we're mainly just looking at the gauge here to see where it sits. So we're at a little bit over 9 bars right now. We should see a coffee drop. There you go. And of course you have some timers here to show you how long the shot's been going for. And that goes for both group heads. Beautiful. Steam-ons, we're going to test. Steam-ons are always the best part about these Marzocco machines. And of course hot water. That's about it for this repair. If you liked the video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.